What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed, and in this video you will learn how we can use Microsoft Designer. So this is the interface of Microsoft Designer. These are some examples and we have to type a prompt in order to design in Microsoft Designer. So for example, if you like a design, you can select that design and we will have the prompt of this design. So now we can generate multiple example or multiple design for this prompt. Now as you can see, we have multiple design. Now I'm going to type a custom prompt. So I'm going to type Instagram post for coffee product and let's generate design for this prompt. Now as you can see, we have these example. Now as you can see guys, we have this animated post. So I'm going to type a keyword animated Instagram post for coffee product, and now it will generate animated Instagram post for a coffee product. And now check this out, we have this animated Instagram post. Now we can also change the size of these posts. So if you click here, as you can see guys, we have this resolution. We can change this to square, landscape or to portrait, and later we can change this to customize resolution. Now below right here we have two options, we can add image or we can generate image, and it use DALL-E 2 AI to generate images. Now first of all, I'm going to add an image from my device, and let's say I select this image, I upload this image. Now it will replace this image with all the coffee images. And now check this out, now we can also generate. So let's click here and let's type hot cup of coffee. Now by the way, you can generate as many images as you want. There is no credit available for these images, so I'm going to select this one. And now let's select this image, and now it will replace this image to the existing image. Now I am going to select a style, so I'm going to let's select this one. Now as you can see, I select this one, and now we have this customize design button here. So we can click here and it will take you to this space. Now right here we have some other ideas for that design. Now we have animated design and we have simple picture Instagram post design. Now right here, if you click here, we have several templates. So you can select a template and you can also upload your media. So now as you can see, I upload these media, I generate these images. Now for example, if you want to select this image, you can add this image. Now we can also remove the background of this image. We can also blur the background of this image. So let's try both. We can click here to remove the background of this image, and we can also undo and we can also redo this effect. So let's click here, undo, and now we can redo. Now we have to restore original in order to blur the background of this image. Now as you can see guys, we blur the background of this image. Now right here, as you can see, it is now generating ideas for this new poster. So I add an image, and now as you can see guys, we have these poster ideas. Now I'm going to click here to select this one. Let's select the animated version. So you can preview your design and it will make the images load faster. And now as you can see guys, we have this beautiful design. Now we can select the image and we can also set as a background. It will set this as a background, or we can detach background, and now we have new design ideas for this poster. Now we can also change the position, we can change the opacity, and we can also replace this image. So now I'm going to select this design. Now we can select an image and we can also adjust the brightness, contrast, etc. of that image, and we can also click here to auto adjust and it will auto adjustment of that image. Now right here we have some visual, we have this background. So if I click here, as you can see guys, now we have this video. As you can see guys, I have selected all. So we can generate images, we can select photos by searching. So let's search for man with a cup of coffee. Now guys, as you can see, we have these images. We can copy this and we can go to the graphic and we can paste this also. Now we can copy and we can go to the videos. Now let's search for cup of coffee. And now check this out, we have these videos. So you can also use the visual to create your design. So for example, I'm going to go to the my design. So if you click here, your design will save right here. So I'm going to select this one, and now as you can see guys, I use this video for this design. So this is an animated design. As you can see guys, now we have this design. Now let's go back to our main design, and now let's select this one and we can press backspace to delete this media. Now we can select this image and we can also replace this image with my media or with the gallery. So I'm going to select the gallery, and now I'm going to select this one is great. Now after the visual we have text. So you can type what do you want your design to say. So I'm going to say a cup of coffee is better to start your day. and now let's click here, and now it will generate text using this description. Now as you can see guys, we have three texts. We have heading, we have subheading, and we have short body. Now we can click here, replace all the text, and now as you can see guys, we have coffee first, jumpstart your day, and we don't have any third text, so that is why we only got two. So I'm going to select a design where we have 3 lines, and then we can replace that design. So I'm going to click here, and now we can replace all the text, and we also have 2 texts for this one. So let's say we can add a text, don't worry. So we can click here, and now we have this text. So now we can select this one, and we can place this right here, and we can change the font position. We can customize this. So I'm going to change this to bold, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to change the size. So I'm going to, let's place this right here. Now we can go to the brand kit, and now as you can see guys, we have brand kit. So for example, if I select this one, it will shuffle the color, and now as you can see guys, now we have this brand kit, and it will shuffle these color to create design. So we can click here to shuffle again, we can shuffle again, and we will get different designs. So I'm going to click here, let's shuffle one more time. So you get the idea, we can shuffle these brand kit to get different result. Now we can click here to turn this off idea. Now we created this simple design. Now if you click here, we can download this design. So as you can see guys, we can select a file extension. So I'm going to select PNG. We can make a background transparent by checking this, and we can also remove watermark of this Microsoft Designer. So when you export your design, we have a watermark of Microsoft Designer right here. So we can check, and we can remove that design also. Now I'm going to click here to download, and now as you can see guys, we have this design. Isn't this simple to create design nowadays by using AI? So this is how we can use Microsoft Designer. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.